Cheers, it's Friday, we're drinking.
One of the recommendations in Mayetta's chili was serve it with a beer. I meant to buy beer this morning and I forgot. He also suggests serving it with shredded cheese, chopped onion, and jalapenos. We're going to try this just the way it is so we can find out what it tastes like. It looks thicker upon reheating. Before we try it, I was harping on slicing the raw sausage. The sausage pieces really held together, so you get some pretty nice chunks of sausage. I think if I used ground sausage, we might not have gotten these little bite-sized pieces of sausage. I went to bed last night thinking of chili. I wanted to eat the chili last night. This is dinner. I had to wait all day for this. Here's a piece. I think I see a piece of bacon. Oh, you ready? Let's do it. Mayetta's chili. We'll try it without the rice first. Just very clean. No accoutrement. Okay, a couple of beans. Mayetta's chili. First bite. Very excited. Oh, it's nice flavor. I am getting a little bit of heat. I'm illiterate. I'm chili illiterate. I don't really cook with real chili, so I'm a little bit illiterate on that. It's not hot, but I am getting a background heat, and I only put a little. Show the picture. I think it was a little chewy. Here's a piece of meat. Oh, it's falling apart. The little bits of meat does make it more chewy than ground beef. Let's try a sausage by itself. It's softer but still chewy, so it is more chewy. Let's go in for some rice. Wow, it tastes very good. It's at half a teaspoon of salt. I think it could use just a touch more. But if you're watching your sodium, I think this is excellent. Let's just try, let's add just a little bit. See what that does. It helps. I don't think we cooked the meat long enough. We cooked this, recipe says an hour and a half, and then 30 minutes with the beans. The meat is still pretty chewy, and I think it's throwing me off a little bit. You know, this was 1975. This could be the ultimate chili in 1975. I'm just saying. I really like it. It's not your traditional flavor chili. It's not your traditional Hormel, that's for sure. But it's too chewy. It's supposed to make 8 servings. This was I reheat. I don't know what I'm saying. If you type in Mayetta's chili, you might pick up one hit from a blog post in 2008 where someone's asking about this chili and they actually post a recipe. That's pretty cool. That's a 50-year-old recipe, my friends. You know, isn't it? I can see if you grew up with this in 1975, it would have a place in your heart. Thanks for joining me for Mayetta's chili? With Mayetta's chili? Thanks for joining me this Friday evening. Mayetta's Chili, 1975. It's chewy. It's chewy. Ah!